Hello. User guide on how to use the easy Drawer Maker gadget. Create a new file and enter the material dimensions. Now load the gadget. Pressing the About button displays the About screen. Be sure to read and understand the disclaimer agreement. Pressing the link to the Vectric user forum will display a web browser to the forum. Pressing the Project Setup button will display the Project Settings dialog. You are required to have a project path set before proceeding. This is required once after the initial installation and uses. The Layer Setup button displays the Layer Settings dialog. Pressing the Milling Defaults button will display the Milling Default dialog screen. These settings will be used in the absence of toolpath bit selection. Pressing the Help button will display the wiki website for this gadget written version of the user guide. This gadget determines the drawer dimensions based on user inputs of the drawer opening, material thicknesses, and milling spacing. Enter the drawer opening dimensions and number of drawers to be created in the count value. Enter the milling spacing dimensions and the drawer finger count. Enter the material thicknesses. Note on material thickness, for each unique thickness value, the gadget will create a new sheet and draw the parts. This will result in parts being separated by material thickness in the drawing. Therefore, entering a front with a 3/4 inch thickness material would result in the drawer fronts being drawn on a separate sheet. For this video, I will set all material to the 0.477 inch thickness. Selecting the Toolpath tool button will prompt the user for bit selection. If you do not want to use a clearing toolpath, leave the tool selection blank. Enter the cabinet name. To draw the drawer, press the OK button. Warning messages can be displayed to alert the user the toolpath milling depth is equal to or greater than the material thickness. Objects have been created on their appropriate layers. Also, the toolpaths have been created with an appropriate name for organizing a milling strategy. The gadget produces two additional documents located in the project directory. The first document is a print-ready text document that contains a shop cut list with setup and parts listing as shown here. The second document is an Excel-ready CSV file. This file only contains the parts list, quantities, and dimensions. The CSV file is very helpful when managing larger cabinet projects. If you have any questions or issues on this or any of the easy gadgets, please post your inquiries to the Vectric user forum under the gadget section. The forum is monitored daily. Have a great day!